So welcome to this Great Grade Maths video, and this is part of Module 1, Using Numbers, and this is video part 5, looking at multiples and factors. So in this video, we're going to look at what multiples and factors are, and we're also going to look at how to find them. And this will link into the next video, video 6, which is all about special factors. So let's look at multiples first of all. What exactly are the multiples of a number? Well, the multiples of a number are quite simply its times table. So for instance, if we wanted to list the multiples of 2, all we would have to do is to list the 2 times table. So it starts with 2, and then we have 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. But what if we wanted to find the multiples of 10? Well, again, all we would have to do is to list the 10 times table. And that would give us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. So one thing to note is that in the list of multiples of 2, for instance, the list always starts with itself, the number 2, and not with 4. And that's because in the list of the 2 times table, 2 comes first. So let's look at factors now then. What exactly are factors? Well, the factors, or divisors of a number, are all the numbers that divide into it. So for instance, if we wanted to find out what all the factors of 6 were, all we'd have to do is list all the numbers that divide into 6. So this is 1, 3, and 6. But what about if we wanted to find the factors of 8? Well, again, we list all the numbers that divide into 8. So these are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, one thing to remember and to note is that any number has at least 2 factors, and we can see them here. They both have the number 1 as a factor, because the number 1 goes into any whole number, and they also have themselves as a factor. So when we were finding the factors of 6, 6 itself was a factor, and when we wanted to find the factors of 8, well, 8 itself was a factor. So any number has at least 2 factors, that's 1 and itself. So an easy way to find all the factors of a number is to try to divide the number by all the numbers that are lower than itself. So let's try to do this to find all the factors of 36. So what we have to do is to divide 36 by all of the numbers that are lower than 36. So first of all, we divide it by 1, which of course is 36. Divide by 2 gives us 18. Divide by 3 gives us 12. Divide by 4 is 9. Divide by 5, well, that doesn't work. It doesn't give us a whole number. So we put a cross there. Divide by 6 is 6. Divide by 7, well, that doesn't work either. It doesn't give us a whole number. Divide by 8 doesn't work either. Divide by 9 is equal to 4. And divide by 10, well, that doesn't work either. And then if 10 doesn't work, then no number larger than 10 will work either. So then now all we have to do is list all the numbers that will divide into 36, and they are all the factors. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. So all the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Thanks for watching this Great Grades Maths video. For notes about this topic, practice questions, and for further videos, please visit greatgradestuition.com.